All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show. Today, gold hit 1 month highs and silver rose over $18. There's a variety of reasons people can posit as to why this happened, but we'll just focus on two. The first being negative real rates, and the second being what we will affectionately call the RONIES. Now, people have called me a fearmonger when it comes to the RONIES. Larry Kudlow has also just stated that a second wave isn't coming. However, I'd like to combat this later on in the video. So yes, if you are asking, I will continue to wear my tin foil hat. Now, if you are new to this channel and love to get updates about gold, silver, and the economy, hit that subscribe button right down below. Also, if you're digging digging what you're hearing, want to spread the sweet, sweet economic evangelism to bring more people into the precious metals, hit that like button right down below. It helps the YouTube algorithm do just that. Okay, so gold prices have hit 5 week highs as the Aroni cases have been rising. Now, gold has been trading within a consistent range these past 2 weeks. Many of us have been wondering what will take gold out of this range. Well, in comes Miss Christina Hooper, Global Chief Investment Officer at Invesco. In an interview she did with Kitco recently, she states the following. So gold has had a really nice run up, and I believe it's in this trading range, and it's likely to stay in it unless you get some kind of significant catalyst. And it could be along the lines of some new dramatic rise in infections. And wouldn't you know it, just a couple of days later, on this Monday after Father's Day, we just posted the largest single day increase in Aroni cases worldwide. Yet we still have people who aren't taking this seriously. Now here you have Mr. Kudlow, and he is quoted in saying the following here. Let's go down to his quote. There are some hot spots. We're on it. We know how to deal with this stuff now. We've come a long way since last winter, and there's no second wave coming. Um, he also says the following. All in all, I think it's a pretty good situation. And of course, reopening the economy is the key to economic growth. And we've had a whole bunch of green shoots that are showing recovery, probably coming on faster than a lot of people thought. Now, this comes a day after Peter Navarro was interviewed, and here's the article here on CNN Politics. I know CNN is not really a really trustworthy website, but this is just an interview that he did. Pretty straightforward. The headline is White House advisor Trump administration preparing for a possible second wave of the Ronies in the fall. Now, here is what Peter Navarro said. We are filling the stockpile in anticipation of a possible problem in the fall. We are doing everything we can beneath the surface, working as hard as we possibly can. So you know, now I like to show you how even though this is somewhat negative, there is some silver lining here. Let's take a look at gold and silver today, um, as this news started to appear. Now, they both hit their highs around the 10 a.m. time range, New York time, Eastern Standard Time, and then they fell right after. And now they're starting to pick up. They picked up steam a little bit, fell, and they're picking up some steam here. Again, picking up steam in silver, fell, picking up steam again. Now, looking at this, it may actually start trending downward a little bit if it doesn't continue to poke up past the previous peak. So it may go down a little bit here. but we'll see how things play out. But earlier today, on the news of the RONIE rising, we had this. So, what else has been supporting gold and silver recently? Well, we have this negative real rates. So, over the past couple of trading days, real yields were approaching negative territory. And pretty much since last year, around the same exact time, real rates have fallen a full percentage point in the past, or in the past 10 years. And to make things simple, I'm sorry, not in the past 10 years. They have fallen a full percentage point in the 10 year. But to make things simple, gold and real interest rates operate kind of like a seesaw, so to speak. So let me bring it back here. So a seesaw meaning if real rates plop down on this side, that means the gold price will shoot up on this side. And the fatter they are, or I should say, the weaker they are, or even more negative they are, uh, real rates will plop down and the gold price will go up. So, everyone, that was your Monday morning. All that craziness happened before your job even had the ability to turn on their surveillance program to check your activity as you work from home. All right, so if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button. Also, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks again. It's Black Bullion.